Guys, it's game day, and you know what that means? Some nice finger foods. Well, today, my friends, I have got a special treat. We're doing some mini hot dog grilled cheeses on that Blackstone Griddle. It's gonna be some good groceries, lady. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, guys, to get things started, this is a very critical piece here. Take your favorite hot dogs, whatever yours are, and score your hot dogs. Trust me, you'll thank me later. So we're gonna go that way, okay? We're gonna turn these suckers, and you can get as bougie as you want. You can do all sides if you want. Oh, wrong way. This way, buddy. This way, buddy. How about messed up? I'm just gonna do about one side. You can turn these over and do them on the other side if you like, but whenever you cook these hot dogs, those crevices are gonna open up, and you gotta season your hot dogs too now. Season your hot dogs. We got a pre-warmed griddle here, y'all. I'm gonna take just a little bit of avocado olive oil spray, and then we're gonna take our hot dogs, place them right down, and we're just looking for a nice color on these. Seasoning for me, SPG, just something simple. You can go as kind of however you want to do. Some barbecue, you can do barbecue, you can do whatever you like. Doesn't really matter. Main thing is season your hot dogs, okay? So we just want to get some color on there. You can see that they're opening up already. So what makes these mini hot dog grilled cheese? Well, we're going to use some King's Hawaiian rolls. To make these mini, I'm just gonna cut these here in half. And then we're gonna put our hot dogs right in there. Maybe not cut them so far like I did that first time. That way you can kind of move it open just like that. Well, I'd like to settle into one of these bad boys. You know what I'm saying? All right, we're gonna get these ready. Hot dogs is a sandwich, and that means it gets mayo. You can omit mayo if you like. Need a little bit of mayo. Once your hot dogs have kind of gotten to whatever your desired doneness is, but I gotta say, you know, are you you like it really, really crunchy, crispy, not crunchy, crispy, but like kind of dark, charred on the top? You like it kind of middle ways? You know, 10 being charred, 1 being hardly nothing. In between, what do you like for your hot dogs? I'm really interested in that. I'm a kind of a medium kind of guy, if you will. So about like this right here, a little bit of char, and as you can see, look at those, all those little slit marks are just perfect. We'll let those cool for just a little bit, and then I want to put this cheese down. Take one of our weenies, put that down. Woo! This is going to be real good. Take more cheese. We'll put right over top. Let's take generous amounts more of cheese. Let's go over to the griddle. We're just gonna put those down right there. Game you're watching, everybody's gonna be talking about these little mini hot dog grilled cheeses. If not, you know, just defriend them. You know, you don't need that negativity in your life, okay? Tell them Hussy said so. This one, I'm just gonna put some cheese down right there like that. All right. A little chef's treat right here. We're just gonna let this go until the cheese is melted. Might flip them over to the other side. Just get a little bit of a crust on this bottom. That's all she wrote, almost. Let's let these go. Be back in 5 minutes. All right, once that 5-minute mark, we're gonna flip these over to get a little bit of a char on this other side. But man, look at that cheese skirt. Holy cow. They're all all the cheese is kind of sticking together. Just gonna do all these at once. Woo-hoo, look at that. Well, that's pretty. All right, our hot dog grilled cheeses, they are done. These ones right here got a little bit, probably, they're not too bad. I kind of like this right here, but it's all good. It's all good. My cheese kind of connected everything together, which is all right by me. But man, oh man, look at that. Look at that. I like a little bit of a dipping sauce. Use whatever dipping sauce you like. I'm just using just a little honey mustard right here. You want to do a ranch or like a horseradish kind of sauce, I'd work too, okay? But hey, let's we say we give these a try. Cheers. Woo. Mmm. Oh man. I made these over on my channel. They were phenomenal. But I really, really like using these Hawaiian rolls. Nice and buttery, soft too. I actually like that cheese. Creating those little nooks and crannies of that hot dog, and it got a little crispy. Push it up here. Push it right up here. Y'all, your game day, your whatever day, you need to have these in your life. I guarantee it. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.